Hey you guys, it's been a while since I've made a video, and I like to take breaks in between when I'm doing my videos, and yeah. And today we have a pin unboxing, and these are the Disney travel mugs pins, and I haven't seen anybody open these on YouTube yet, so I believe I am the first one, because I don't think a lot of people know about these ones just yet, except for me, because I found these at Barnes & Noble last month in December, and there was 3 left, so I picked them up, but they were for my stocking, so I opened it on Christmas Day, and I got 2 Mickeys and then 1 Donald. And the Pluto is the chaser. So you get Mickey, Donald, Minnie, Goofy, which I really want, Daisy, and Pluto, which I also really want. Because every time I went to Disneyland, you know, when they were opened, Pluto and Pluto and Goofy, there we go. They always treated me like very kindly, and they didn't treat me like any other kind of way, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, so hopefully I get the full set, even though I already got Donald and Mickey. So if I get those 2, they could become traders, you know. So let's just get into it. And I got these on eBay, and these were the last set, so I took it and I ran with it. So, and you get 12 boxes in here, so hopefully I can finish my collection. And we're gonna start from the back, and I don't know if I'm gonna open the whole set today or just part of it, or at least until I get the completed set. And it comes in these little tiny blind bags, and that's like the front, and it has like the letters on it, which is cool. And then that's how much they are, $9.99 per box, and then that's the back. So hopefully it's not a double. Oh, huh, really? A double, just what I wanted. Mickey. Alright, so I'm gonna put that there. I might do 6, I don't know. I might just pull randomly instead of like doing it in order like most people here on YouTube does. So I'm just gonna go random. So let's hope this one's a good one. Uh-oh. Ah, the chaser! Yay! That is so cool. We got the chaser, Pluto, and it says Pluto on it, which is really cool. Oh my god, that made me happy. Alright. I like that. And the box is sticking to me. Let's do this one. Come on, Goofy or Daisy. I think that's all I really need right now, right? Oh, and Minnie Mouse too. Oops. Got her. And you could trade these in the parks too. Uh-oh. Donald. And that's Donald. So these are tradable, and they're from Loungefly. I forgot to say that. So we opened 3, so wish me luck. Alright. Rubbing for good luck. Alright. So do you guys like to open pens or any other Disney mystery set of something? Mickey, no! Please don't give me any more Mickey. I'm done. Alright. That's fun. Just kidding, Mickey. And then you toss it, you know? Because you're really mad at the books. And they all fly out. Alright, so that was 4. So this is my 5th box. Or I might open all. I don't know. Uh-oh. No. No, please. No more Mickey, please. Come on. Be nice to me. Alright. So this is the seventh box I've opened already. Alright. Oh, and they don't want to come out. Alright. Okay. Pluto. Thank you. Alright. Well, I'm getting a lot of traders now. Yay! Yay me! Woo! Alright. Oh no. 6 more to open. Oh no. I'm not happy about this. I want more to open. Okay, these are really stuck. Wow. These are just getting harder and harder to open nowadays. Uh-oh. Daisy! Yay! Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Woo! Alright, so we got like 2 new ones, which is very nice of them to do for us, which is cool, you know? Alright, I'm just gonna toss that out of the way because we don't need that. The anticipation. Minnie Mouse. I knew it. Oh my gosh. I just need 1 more. Please. Let me get the full set. Okay. So, which box do you think is Goofy? Take your pick. I'm gonna go with this one. This one feels heavy. Please. So if I get the full set, maybe I can use the other ones for something in the future. I don't know. I got the full set! I never do that. I never do that. Oh my god. That's... Oh my god. So these are gonna be doubles. I might use these for Christmas maybe. I don't know. Oh my gosh. The complete set. Finally, I finished something in my life. Thank you, Disney. Appreciate it. So I'm going to show you guys a closer set or a close-up of the pens. Oh my god. So, okay. Alright. They don't want to, like, okay. Lucy will be there. Minnie will be right there. I'm going to try to do this. And, okay. Let's go, Pluto. Alright. Oh my god. I am so happy. I'm going to have to turn this around. So give me 1 second. Well, these are the 6 completed sets of the Disney Loungefly travel mugs. So from here we got Mickey, Minnie, the Chaser Pluto, Goofy, Daisy, and Donald. Why is it? That's weird. I never noticed that. Hers has like a, I don't know what that saying is. Like when something feels kind of like bumpy, that's what hers is like. Oh, that, the cover thing, when you drink hot drinks, that cover. I don't know the name of it, but you guys could correct me in the comments. So that's what that one feels like. And then this one just feels like normal, I guess, like a normal mug would feel. So yeah, and that is that for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!